Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a diamond painting for you from Outdoor Tide, and this is one of the most awesome diamond paintings that I've seen in a long time. This is so awesome. It is so detailed. Oh my goodness. So this is a 50 by 80. Mickey working on an assembly line of Mickeys and Minnies. Minnie Mouse. There's a nephew. Here's a nephew coming with a dolly down the stairs. There's Donald's nephew. Here's some Donalds being made, and you got Dale. I think that's Dale, and this is Chip. Check it out, evidence. There is Chip with suspenders on, but why doesn't Mickey have suspenders on? You know, that's what the buttons are for in the first place, is suspenders, and you never see Mickey with the actual suspenders. It's like, what is he doing with those buttons on if there wasn't suspenders on him? Okay, but there's Chip. Or Dale, whichever, and he's got suspenders on. So there you go. Donald's carrying a box of Goofies, and he's looking at him like, get off of there, get down, stop playing around. Mickey's putting eyes on them. See, the ones back here don't have eyes on, and these ones do. And he's putting eyes on, and here's this hose, goes all the way up to the sky. Sorry about the glare. And it's got a glass factory. They're in a glass factory. Goofy's dumping something in there. I thought this was great. And for all that detail, see Pluto looking at that? It's falling off. For all the detail, and then the corners are large and bold. This is just awesome. Oh, they got coffee sitting out. I didn't notice that before. Yeah. So this looks really fun to do. It looks really interesting, and it should keep me busy. There are 28 colors, and they are 1 through 9, and then alphabetical in order. Let me see. Here's the colors. And the colors match the color on the canvas. You can see exactly where it's going to go just by looking at it. Nice, bright colors. Really good. Really nice. I am so happy with this canvas. And I wouldn't get it any smaller. You know, that's why I didn't own it already. And they've got multiple images that are like this. Very, very busy like this. A lot of detail. But I took to this one. Because I really don't have a lot of Disney at all. I got a couple Stitch. And I got some silhouettes of princesses. And that's mostly all the Disney I have. I can't think of any off the top of my head. Okay, so I got something else from them, and it will come in very handy. I've never seen one before, and maybe that's why my previous video has only got 19 views in 20 hours, and one of those views is mine. They're hiding my video. YouTube is hiding my video. And then, coincidentally, there's no such thing as coincidence, YouTube decides to send me a poll, and in the poll it asked me about my emotions and how I feel about YouTube. I was like, oh really? Do I feel happy or sad? Slide the bar on a scale of 1 to 10. Do I feel anxious or relaxed? You know, all these different emotions that wanted to know how I felt after it is hiding my video. That's a promo video. I'm making this the promo video too. How about that? There's 2 promo videos for the exact same canvas now. And maybe it has something to do with what else I opened. It might have looked like a pickle dough, you know? Something, you know, you get the idea just from that. But you should check it out because I think it's going to come in handy. If you ever need one, you're going to wish you had one. And so I got it. I love this. Little Plutos. rolling down an assembly line into the cart. This is just too awesome. I love it. I love it. And I love that he's got suspenders on and Mickey don't. Like, I'm really glad to see that, because that's up my alley. Mandela effect. Anything freaky and weird in the news or reality, I'm into it. Okay. I hope everybody's having a nice holiday weekend. I hope you're relaxing. I am not doing so great. I have been really stressed out and sad. Thanks, YouTube. And I'm upset that I allowed it to affect me so much, because it was a promotional video, so I felt like I really wanted to do good and showcase the canvas in detail, and they hide the video. But what about my subscribers? I don't understand. See, I don't want to feel this way. Okay. It's hard. Maybe I need to back up from what I'm doing so much. But I'm not trying to be like other channels that are going on. I'm trying to do my own thing. But my thing is getting messed up for unknown reasons. Okay. It's probably the other product that I purchased. Peace out, and God bless. Outdoor Tide!